Welcome to Mohegan Production. Whoa, that's a really big tree. Do you know what else is big tree? Let's go! I'm Celeste and over here we are at Verse Concept. Let's find out on how they celebrate their big tree this April. I've been hearing about this Verse Concept Big Tree. Could you probably share more information about it?
Big Tree is our 3rd anniversary. 3 years of design, 3 days of celebration.
The big dates are from 10 April to 12 April. Actually, what can people expect if they sign up from there?
Since it's Verse Concept 3rd anniversary, we are letting homeowners choose 3 out of 5 options from our renovation package for just $7,588.
We've also got sign-up rewards, daily showroom prizes, and a grand draw. But it's 3 days only, so you've got to be quick.
I see. Could you actually share more about why Verse Concept and other IDs are different?
It's all about Verse Concept standard. People choose us not because of our workmanship and our transparent pricing, but the real secret is our follow-up. We don't just finish a job, we make sure the relationship continues long after. We keep our pricing transparent and competitive. We also provide free formaldehyde removal service upon project completion. If you're building a home, it needs to be beautiful and, more importantly, environmentally friendly too. At Verse Concept, we not only provide solutions and ideas, we listen to homeowners' requests in detail, giving them comfort during discussion.
I actually noticed the buddy system that is going on over here. Could you probably share on how this actually helps the homeowners?
It's a team-based management. You don't just get one designer, you get 2. So when one is out on site, the other guy, the buddy, will always have the file. So homeowners will never be left waiting for an answer. We always have your back.
You heard the man! 3 years of satisfaction and service, 3 days in-house event, and some show wins for you to win. See you there!